Everyone, in this video I will show you exactly how you can remove this option of reels from your Facebook feed. So there are two methods to do this, and I will show you both of them. And if this video works for you, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So the first method is to just click on these three lines at the very top down to the very bottom end, and you will see an option of settings and privacy. Just click on that. Now just click on settings over here, and now if you are here, just click on page setting and then move to the very bottom end, and you will see an option as shortcuts. And by the way, if you just click on the settings button over here and you can't see the page settings, just search over here shortcut and you will see this option. So just click on this, and now there are two options that we need to hide. The first one is gaming, so just click on auto and hide this option. And the second one is watch, just click on this and hide this one as well. Now after doing this, let's see if the reels button is removed from our home page or not. So just again go back to the home page, and now as you can see that the reels button has been removed from my home page. So that's how you can do this. Now if this didn't work for you, let me just show you the second method to do this. So let me just quickly enable the reels button again. So now now again you can see that the reel button is enabled. So the second option is just click on the reels over here, and now click on these three dots at the very bottom end and click hide reel. Now again just find few more reels and do this for 5 to 10 reels, and then Facebook will stop recommending you the reels, and this button will automatically be removed from your home page. So that's how you can remove the reels from your home page. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next video.